usually is that such a dog is a devil, meaning that it is the top in evil among his peers. So the Prophet described him as a shaitan. Don't be extreme and take things easy. The black dog is a devil. Black dog, white dog. Don't be extreme and take things easy. The black dog is a devil. Black dog, white dog. Three things breaks our prayer: the passing of a woman, an adult, and the passing of a donkey, and the passing of a dog. Don't be extreme. Not only the black dog, any dog that passes in front of you would break your salat, but the killing is only for this type of dog, black dog, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best. Don't be extreme and take things easy. The black dog is a devil. Black dog, white dog. Don't be extreme and take things easy. The black dog is a devil. Black dog, white dog.
Whoever keeps a dog for other than farming, sheep herding, or hunting will have 2 qirats decreased from his good deeds daily.
They prevent angels from entering the house.
It leads to various diseases. One of them is hydrophobia.
Why can't we have the dog? And the response is Allah knows best. Really, we do not have a specific reason.
Don't be extreme and take things easy. The black dog is a devil. Black dog, white dog.
We're allowed to keep cats as pets. We're not allowed to keep dogs as indoor pets.
Prophet ﷺ didn't say that about cats. Cats are okay. They're allowed. If they lick out of your thing, it doesn't say you have to wash it and all this kind of thing. It's just a dog.
Are cats permissible in Islam to be pets? The answer is yes. In the hadith, the Prophet ﷺ saw a cat coming. He gave her a bowl of water and had her drink of it. And he did not render the water or the pot as najis. Don't be extreme and take things easy. The black dog is a devil. Black dog, white dog. Don't be extreme and take things easy. The black dog is a devil. Black dog.